Give you guys a quick backstory on this tool cart real quick before you watch the video. My brother found the cart in the Harbor Freight dumpster. They threw it out. I'm assuming the bottom drawer has one slide that's messed up. I'm assuming that's why they threw it out. I got some old bed rails, cut them to length, drill the holes in them for these bolts on the top. It already had all the hardware with it still in the box. It had all the bolts, the nuts, the wheels. It's just missing the legs in the bottom tray there. Basically, just cut the legs, drill the holes in them, welded in the braces on the bottom and the legs to those, and it seems to be pretty sturdy. If anything, probably a little bit more sturdy than what they come when you buy them. I don't know. I've never had one. I've always hear mixed reviews on them, whether they're good or bad. You know, people out there love their Snap-on. But I'll let you guys watch the short build on this. Obviously pretty simple. And I'll get some of this cleaned up and show you when I get it in place and where I plan for it to go.
Every dream deserves a chance. Find yours at AMCAM.com. American Family Insurance.
place where I'm planning for it to be. One thing I like, I'm not sure what the height is from Harbor Freight itself, but the one thing I liked is I was able to make it the height just perfect, where it rolls right underneath my bench. Fits right underneath there just perfect. I do have the cross braces that go in that have the slots for screwdrivers or breaker bars. I'll probably end up putting those back in because I am a little off from being square on this one of these legs I noticed, so there's just a little bit of a wobble to it right now, but sturdy wise it's not going anywhere. I'll bring you guys in a little bit closer here and kind of give you a little tour of it. There's not a whole lot in there, but I'll show you what I got in there. Do the best I can here, hopefully not make anybody dizzy. Just got my sockets up here, speed wrenches, my ratchets. I don't use that one on the far right, I do use the other two. The extensions, impact sockets, 1/2 inch and 1/2 inch socket set there. A couple of miscellaneous 1/2 inch stuff back there. Some spare sockets in the back. And then, see, I'll open up these next two drawers and show you what's in there. Next two drawers, pretty simple. It's got some electrical stuff over there. A couple knives in that tin there. My hammer and dollies obviously need some attention there. They got some rust on them. I'm sitting out some butt weld clamps. On down to the next drawer here, I just got my pry bars set, 4 of them there. And then an open end ratchet set. Kind of easy in those really hard to get tight spots. On to the last drawer here, just got a rivet gun there, which actually was another Harbor Freight dumpster find, and a grease gun, which I have not used yet. Well, that's pretty much it. It's back in its spot. I do plan on putting a bottom shelf down there sometime. Definitely can use that to store some more stuff. I'm pretty happy with it. I'm definitely going to like having the sockets on that top shelf there. It's going to be a lot more convenient. Kind of in the process here between getting everything put away. I just got that bottom box there, and I'm kind of getting stuff out of old cabinets, stuff I've had piled everywhere else because I just ran out of room in my old box. That top box I kept off my old one. Obviously that's kind of piled full of stuff too. Still trying to put everything away. Big upgrade from, I had that top box there sitting on this cabinet here, and that's going to be the next project, I think, is figuring out where to put and what to do with that. I think I'm going to end up putting my little Harbor Freight parts washer on top of that. Another thing I picked up from someone else, and I think that'll be a good height for me and my chair to be able to reach. But thanks for watching. Obviously a pretty simple build, nothing too extravagant. Hoping to have some more videos up here in the future before too long, some more builds, maybe something a little bit more challenging than this. Thanks for watching.